So since we're not going to do foundation, we are going to keep it very much, using a lot of skincare so your skin still looks healthy and hydrated. So we'll start with our skincare routine first. We'll first start with the Pixi Glow Tonic, and it has glycolic acid in it, which helps to get rid of dead cells, which is what we want for the rest of our makeup to go flawlessly. Next is the Innisfree Essence.
It hydrates your skin and makes it dewy and smooth. It's lightweight with serum-like consistency.
Next is the Aavrani Under Eye Rejuvenating Elixir.
Minimizes the appearance of dark circles and smoothens under eye area. What I love about this product is it is made without any harmful chemicals, and most importantly, it is a woman-owned and a woman of Indian origin owned company.
This is my very favorite serum by Sweet Shot Ginger Vitamin C Serum Shot.
This is my go-to serum when I'm layering skincare products, and most importantly, it's less than $20.
Look at all the natural glow that's getting through. And this is only skincare.
We have the Forest Essentials Advanced Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir. This smells divine. Its texture is gel-like and it suits all skin types. It makes your skin super soft and baby-like. I'm using it to even my skin so my makeup can go flawlessly.
And here my skincare routine is finally done. All these steps help to create a flawless, smooth base so the rest of your makeup can go on really smoothly and it won't break, crack, or crease anywhere on your face. So the next one is my Becca Backlight Priming Filter.
This primer has a little glow to it. I like this primer as it goes really well with olive or Indian skin tones. It makes your skin very dewy and makes it plump like it's glowing from within.
Just the glow makes me so happy.
While my primer seeps in, I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony. It's a soft black eyebrow shade and I like this pencil a lot. It's my go-to eyebrow pencil.
Next step, like I said, we're not going to use the foundation, but we're going to use some concealer. For the concealer, we're going to go ahead with the Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I'm going to start blending it immediately. So once it dries, it's going to be hard to blend. Just take it to your hairline though, so there's no difference in the colors.
And whatever remaining product you have on the beauty blender, you're just going to put it on the rest of your face so it's all smoothed out and there's not a drastic difference in skin texture in the areas you applied the concealer and where you have bare skin.
You still have, because of the skincare you did, see it still glows over here and here. So when you go in natural light or in a wedding lights, it's going to show up on your skin really well. Using the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Powder, we are going to set everything up so it doesn't move.
Usually just set the areas that are prone to breaking, such as under the eyes and around the mouth. Any remaining products you have, you can just lightly dust on the rest of your face, but you don't need powder everywhere.
I'm going to set it all up with the Smashbox setting spray.
Since we applied powder, we potentially run a risk of making the makeup look very flat and matte. Spray brings it back to life, at the same time making your makeup stay put. Eyeshadow, I'm using this middle shade from the Smashbox Sunset Cali Kissed palette. I like to keep my palettes to a minimum and just maximize use of one palette. This eyeshadow also has some gold shimmer in it, so when I apply it with a flat brush, the eyeshadow looks more gold, and as I blend it at the crease, it appears more brown. This is a bronze gold shade, so I'll be literally using one color. For a little more drama, I'll add more shadow on the lids using a flat brush. Finally, we have the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Eyeliner, which is a deep black eyeliner. Now, if you're looking for a super glam wedding guest makeup look, subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when it is out next week. Now, using the pink and coral shade from the same palette, I'm gonna shade the lower lash line using a small defining brush. I'm going to use the Smashbox Superfan Mascara on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. Now I'm applying the black kajal, which goes very well with Indian makeup looks.
So here's my completed eye makeup look, and we're going to go ahead with the face. We have already put the concealer, and like I said, because of the skincare routine that we did, our highlight is already showing naturally. Next up is the bronzer. Again, I'm using this multi-purpose palette by Smashbox, the Cali Kiss Highlight.
I'm going to use the middle shade, which is the bronzing shade.
This palette has a lot of pigmentation, so make sure you start with less product and build up as you need it, because you don't want to go with excessive bronzing. We're going to go ahead with the blush. I've used this blush a couple times in my videos and you must have noticed that it's very, very pigmented. So go light-handed again, tap off any excess.
Sometimes you may apply accidentally too much blush. So in this case, just use some clean brush and diffuse the color.
And next comes our highlighter from the same palette. I'm going to go with these two shades.
I'll highlight where the light naturally hits your face, which is above the cheekbones and on your cupid's bow.
Today I'm using the lipstick by Lisa Eldridge in Velvet Ribbon.
This Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon lipstick is a blue-toned red lip color and it suits all skin tones. It's rich, velvety, and my top red lipstick pick. It is a matte finish but still is very hydrating because of all the healing oils which keep lips soft and supple. And I'm gonna line it with ColourPop lip liner.
And the last step is the makeup setting spray. So this is how the look came with just my hair open, and then to make it into a super for the traditional look, I'm gonna go with a bun and some flowers just for fun. And then I've highlighted my collarbone using some liquid highlighter, or you can use any form of highlighter. This is how my final look came, and I just love these earrings. I got these in Bombay and I think they're so cute looking. You can go with some flowers in your hair if you like, or just into a low bun.
Find me on Instagram at make.up.simplified, or you can find me by hashtag makeoverbycash. Like, share, and comment on this video. Bye!